What do you get when you mix a powerful CEO with an adorable kid? Get ready for heartwarming moments, unexpected family bonds, and adorable scenes that will melt your heart. In today's video, we are counting down 10 Chinese dramas where souls aren't just falling in love, they're also winning over the cutest little kids. 10. Please Be My Family. In the drama Handsome CEO, Song Hao-yu is focused on finding the perfect birthday gift for his son, Chen Cheng. During the search, he's intrigued by Chi Si-le, a determined woman desperately trying to secure the Moulin planning project, the same project Song Hao-yu oversees. He's further captivated when he notices she wears a brooch identical to Chen Cheng's. Following this clue, Song Hao-yu discovers a significant link between Chi Si-le's daughter, Shan Shan, and his own son. Believing a complete family is best for both children, the handsome CEO proposes to Chi Si-le, leading them down an unexpected path of marriage with an unknown future. 9. Plot Love. Plot Love is a stylish, emotionally rich drama that combines fashion, betrayal, and romance. Subi, a fashion designer, is wrongfully accused of plagiarism and forced to leave the country. She returns years later, now a model agent and single mother determined to clear her name. She crosses paths with her ex-husband, Lu Nan, the CEO of a fashion company, who was in a coma for 5 years and has no recollection of her. To dig into the mystery behind her scandal, she pretends to be a devoted wife once more. But this pretend marriage starts feeling very real, especially as old memories begin to return. With 24 suspenseful and romantic episodes, you can watch it on iQIYI. 8. Born to Be Together. Born to Be Together offers an intense yet charming tale about amnesia, mistaken identities, and adorable twins. During a business signing event, 2 children are mistakenly swapped and later, it turns out they are long-lost twins. The female and male leads, who had once been together, are now strangers due to amnesia. But their fates are intertwined once again through their children. As they enter a contract arrangement to raise the kids together, old emotions start to resurface, and new memories begin to replace the lost ones. 7. Warm Time With You. Warm Time With You is about strength, responsibility, and unexpected love. Wu Zhaozhao, a resilient woman running a martial arts school, takes in Wu Yi, a young boy left behind by her missing sister. Her peaceful life turns upside down when a powerful CEO appears, claiming to be Wu Yi's biological father and demands custody. What begins as a legal battle soon turns into an emotional journey of learning, love, and bonding. The CEO starts to see the depth of Zhao Zhao's heart, while she realizes his genuine love for the child. With 31 moving episodes, you can stream this heartfelt drama on VTV and YouTube. 6. Please Be Married. This drama throws in a creative twist: time travel and future children. Please Be Married tells the story of a struggling intern and a cold-hearted CEO who unexpectedly become guardians to a child from the future. Suzium, the cute little boy, claims he's their son and has traveled back in time to bring his parents together. As they start living together, confusion turns into affection, and slowly they begin to embrace the idea of being a family. This light-hearted yet touching story is packed into 30 episodes and available on Hit Drama Indonesia and YouTube. 5. Unforgettable Love. Unforgettable Love delivers a perfect mix of a cold CEO, an innocent child, and a contract marriage that turns into something deeper. Hee Kyo-in is a successful CEO who, despite his brilliance in business, is completely clueless when it comes to raising his son, Xiaobao. In need of help, he hires Qin Yiyu, a warm-hearted child psychologist. Their initial relationship is purely professional, even formalized through a contract marriage, but it doesn't take long for real feelings to blossom. The little boy becomes the heart of the story, acting as a cupid who brings the 2 adults closer. With 24 episodes filled with sweet family moments and romantic development, this gem is available on VTV and Viki. 4. Just Spoil You. Based on a popular webtoon, Just Spoil You follows a talented manhwa artist who returns to the city she fled years ago, now accompanied by her adorable young son. Her past catches up with her when an unexpected encounter leads her son to believe a stranger as his father, and that stranger turns out to be her ex-boyfriend. This mistaken identity leads to a heartfelt reunion, reigniting their love-hate relationship. As they rekindle their connection, the drama cleverly uses the child's innocence to bridge the gap between two hearts still hurting from the past. It's short and sweet with only 20 episodes, and available on iQIYI and YouTube. 3. Begin Again. If you love contract marriage dramas with second chances, Begin Again will win you over. Lu Fangning is a dominant CEO of a major home furnishings company, under constant pressure from her family to marry. In a twist of fate, she enters a contract marriage with Lin Rui, a brilliant and kind-hearted surgeon. Their marriage ends on paper, but 6 years later, they're reunited by their son, a precocious child who unknowingly becomes the glue between them. As they navigate co-parenting and revisit old feelings, this drama beautifully explores love's ability to grow and heal over time. With 35 emotional and engaging episodes, you can enjoy this series on Viki and iQIYI. 2. The Love You Give Me. The Love You Give Me is an emotional rollercoaster of love, separation, and reunion. The drama revolves around Minhui and Shin-Chi, who were deeply in love until fate tore them apart. Minhui discovers Shin-Chi has a serious heart condition, and fearing rejection, he chooses to end the relationship without explanation. Years later, Shin-Chi returns as a cold and successful CEO, and Minhui, now a capable tech firm executive, is raising a child alone, a child who suffers from the same heart condition as Shin-Chi. Their worlds collide once more during a business event, igniting unresolved feelings and emotional healing. 1. Since I Met You. Let's start this list with a romance that's as sweet as dessert. Since I Met You, Cheng Mu is a charming and talented dessert chef who runs a highly successful restaurant. But with fame comes scrutiny, especially when food blogger Jiang Siha, known for her sharp criticism, visits his restaurant to uncover the truth behind its growing reputation. Initially skeptical, Jiang Siha is gradually won over by the magic of Cheng Mu's desserts and his calm, endearing personality. But it's not just the food, it's also the presence of a lovable child that slowly melts her heart. The chemistry between the leads, the comfort of sweet food, and the emotional journey make this 16-episode drama a cozy must-watch. You can find it on iQIYI and Viki. And that's our list. Which drama are you adding to your watch list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more drama goodness. See you in the next video.